Have you ever wondered if you were put on this planet by mistake? See, I don't think that anything is done by mistake, and that's just my opinion, but I believe that every single one of us was put on this planet for a specific reason, and we all have a specific destiny that we are to either fulfill or not fulfill. You see, what I want to talk about today is the idea that I think that we were all given a special talent, and I like to refer to that talent as a superpower, just like a superhero has a superpower. I believe that when you were put on this planet by your maker, you were given a very, very specific talent or superpower that if you tap into that superpower and you apply it and connect it with what it is that you want to do, say your true calling, I feel that that is the path to fulfilling your destiny. So my question to you is this: what is your superpower? What is that one thing that you are really, really good at? Well, here's a way of figuring it out. Ask your friends. Ask your mother, your father. Say, what am I good at? And also ask yourself, because you've probably taken that thing and put it up on a shelf because you're already good at it. Why would you have to work at it, right? So if you can identify what it is that your superpower is, and then connect that with what it is that you're trying to accomplish right now, I think you'll probably figure out if that thing you're trying to accomplish is actually what you're supposed to accomplish. And if it is, you'll probably move forward with much more acceleration. So what is your superpower?